Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me for today's video where we are going to be cleaning out my closet. That's right. I am doing what basically a lot of people are doing around this time. We got a brand new year. We got brand new goals. And one of mine is to be less cluttered, I guess. Let's just say that I desperately want to be a minimalist and live that minimalist lifestyle, but I struggle very hard. I have a really hard time letting go of things, especially my clothes, because I feel like even if I haven't worn something for years, I still never want to get rid of it because I might need it for that one special occasion that never happens. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are like that as well. But today I am really going to try and channel my inner minimalist being and really get rid of some of these clothes. I'm either going to be donating or I'm going to be putting them up on Poshmark. So I just started a Poshmark site. I have not sold anything on there yet. I haven't even put anything on there yet. I'm going to go through these clothes, put some of the stuff that has new tags or is in really good condition. I'm going to put them up on Poshmark, and I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to shop any of my clothes. And any of the items that I do put on my Poshmark, I will try on for you guys towards the end of the video so that you can get an idea of what they look like, because I know that is always a problem for me when I'm buying clothes. I want to see like what it actually looks like on a person. So I'll be trying them out for you. I might not get to try out all of the things that I'm putting on Poshmark just for the sake of making this video not 500 years long. So make sure that you're following me so that you can see all the new items that I add. And if you do like this style of video where I try on everything, then make sure you're giving it a thumbs up, and I can do that in the future with other items that I'm adding on there. Also, I didn't know that you could add home items to Poshmark as well, so that will be coming soon. So make sure you're following me over there. I'll leave all the links and all the information in the description box below. But yeah, so today I'm going to be focusing on my main closet. I've already kind of done some of the drawers, kind of gone through those and organized them. My closet isn't crazy unorganized or anything. I just need to get rid of some of my clothes. So I'm just going to go through. I'm going to be trying to use the method of would I purchase this again in the future, or no, would I purchase this again now if I were out shopping? And if I wouldn't, then it needs to go. If I'm not going to repurchase it and I haven't worn it in forever, then there's no need for me to hang on to it for that special whatever day I think is going to happen. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe. I would love, love, love to have you join the little fam that we have going on here. I do a lot of beauty reviews, Amazon hauls, and now organization. We're adding that onto the list. You never know what's coming. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join us in all the fun. All right, so now that I have stalled for the last 10 minutes, let's go ahead and get this started. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you did like this style of me trying on the clothes that I'm going to be putting on my Poshmark, make sure that you're giving this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of them, because I will be adding more clothes. I'm telling you I will. And also home stuff. And I mean, we just did my main closet. I still have another closet and another closet. So I will be putting a lot of stuff up on Poshmark. So follow me over there. Follow me here. Follow me on Instagram while you're at it. I mean, let's just cover all the bases. Also, leave a comment below. Say hey. Drop your Poshmark down below if you want to. We can shop off each other's stuff. You know, if you made it this far in the video, put a little star. Just a little star. That's all you gotta do. Alright, love you. See you in my next video. Bye.